and corrugated box folding industry, printing and packaging industry. We persist on business philosophy of technology and innovation, casting quality and pursuit of excellence. Since the establishment of the company, we pay high attention to develop and bring in professional technicians and set up a young elite team in the concept of pursue perfect quality, offer endless service. For the past years, we have been keeping close eyes to the development of all packaging industry, at home and abroad. Constantly absorb new technology, adjust production structure, and improve ourselves accordingly. With the qualified management and R&D talents, we have created a new world of ourselves in the field of packaging machinery through persistently research and development in the principle of innovation. 10 years witnesses our growth. Now, our company space covers more than 10,000 square meters. There are more than 100 employees. 2 of them have master degree. 10 of them have bachelor degree. More than 20 received professional training. Zhejiang Nu Luolan Machinery persists on keeping pace with the times and expanding market with all our strength. We will be continuously devoted to providing higher quality products and more satisfactory service in return for the support and favors of our customers. We always persist in the principle of people-oriented, advance, reason, utility, and serviceability. We own a batch of high-grade, high-precision advanced technology devices and high-quality design team, high-level R&D team, which establish a foundation of the most competitive manufacturing base.